Can we hide repost on TikTok? In today's video, we're going to figure out whether we can hide reposted videos on TikTok and make them private. So if you're someone who wants more control over your TikTok feed or want to keep your reposted content hidden from others, this is the video for you. So let's get started. First things first, open your TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account, then tap on your profile and tap on the repost button. Here you can see all the reposts that you have posted. Now let's find a way to simply hide our reposts. To do that, let's tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner of the screen and tap on settings and privacy and go to privacy. Or make sure to make your account private so that only your friends can view your reposted. Now scroll down and here there are various options, that is comments, mentions, direct messages, and you can control who can see them, but there is no control of repost, so we cannot make our private this way. Instead, you can simply remove your repost altogether by tapping on share icon and simply clicking on. So that's how you can simply hide your repost.